If you're about to get your first set of IEMs, but you're all lost because there's so many of them out there and you wonder which ones to pick, I'm glad you found this video because I am going to make 2 suggestions for you today, and I'm going to explain why I think one of these should be your very first IEMs ever. What's up, everybody? This is David M., the Polish Potato. I am going to talk about the KZ's ZAX and the RT-R1. Both of these sets sound absolutely fantastic out of the box, and that's one of the main reasons I am recommending them as your very first IEMs ever. KZs, traditionally now for KZs, like their very aggressive U-shaped curve. So these are very focused on bass, very focused on the highs, but at the same time, they're not really losing that much in the mids. This is simply a very detailed, very pleasant to listen to set. You're going to have very fun listening experience putting these into your ears. The RT-R1 are a little less aggressive in their tuning, but they are aiming at rich, detailed, and immersive audio experience, and I absolutely agree. Both of these sets bring you excellent sound right out of the box, and I just can't imagine how anyone wouldn't enjoy listening to them. The KZs have a setup of 7 balanced armature plus 1 dynamic driver, hence excellent instrument separation, really good sound staging, and overall very, very high-end sound. The RT-R1 offer 2+1 setup when it comes to drivers, but because of their configuration and other details, they compete with the KZs extremely well when it comes to sound quality. The KZs cost $63 at the time of recording this video. You're going to be paying $79 for the RT-R1, and here's why I don't think you should go for something super inexpensive. You're going to walk away disillusioned, disappointed, and scratching your head wondering why are we all hyping them up and telling you IEMs are the best possible way to listen to music, because the set you just bought for $15 really doesn't offer anything great and sounds flat and uninteresting. So do spend tiny little bit more money. $63 or $79 is not the amount that will require you to sell your car or get a second mortgage of your house, and it will guarantee very high level of satisfaction listening to these bad boys. When it comes to ergonomics, both of these sets are very ear-friendly, with the KZs being a little smaller. So if you have smaller ears, definitely go for the ZAXs. The whole setup is so perfect as your very first set of IEMs because both of these come with cables that you don't necessarily need to replace. They are not the most technically advanced cables you can possibly have, but really, right out of the box, all you do is connect them and enjoy them. You're going to hear a lot of people, including myself, talk about DACs and dongles and other devices that you can use to put in between these IEMs and your source of sound to further enhance your experience. And while that is true, I am recommending these 2 sets to you today because right out of the box, without any of these devices, you're going to love the way they sound. Because both of them come with a standard 3.5mm plug, the only accessory I might recommend is this little dongle DAC that has USB-C on one end and female 3.5mm jack, so you can connect both of these to a device equipped with only USB-C. In terms of their looks, these guys couldn't be more different from one another. KZs are very classic, understated elegance, and the RTs are very bold, green, and offer more interesting design. It is absolutely up to you and your subjective judgment which of these look better. The very last thing I want to talk about in this short video is do play with the sizes of the ear tips. This is absolutely the most important thing when it comes to any IEMs. If you don't create a good seal in your ear, you're not going to be able to experience the sound quality these are capable of delivering. You're not going to have the full range of bass they are capable of producing. So both of these come with different ear tip sizes in the box. Do play around, pick the size that works best for your ears, the size that lets you create the best seal in your ear canal. Only then you're going to be fully immersed in the beautiful sound that they can pour right into your ears, whether you're listening to music, movies, or gaming. And now for those who are still watching, of course, that wasn't the last thing I was going to talk about. I have to tell you guys what's included in the box. Cases pretty much come with the cable and the additional ear tip sizes. RTs will also give you this neat carrying case that lets you safely store your earbuds and transport them without risking any damage wherever you go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I delivered enough information for you to make an educated decision when it comes to your first IEMs purchase. If you have more questions, hit me in the comments. If you do decide to get one of these, please use the links provided in the description. They help the channel grow and help me make more content that lets you make better decisions when it comes to your audio gear.